What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Christmas Sonic. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the nose. We're going to start right in the middle. We're going to draw an oval coming down towards the bottom, and we'll bring that back up towards the top. Let's add a small circle along the top of the nose for a highlight, and then we'll fill the bottom in black. Now from here we're going to move out to the side of the nose and draw the top edge of the muzzle. Let's start on the left side. I'm going to curve this down and then bend that up towards the cheek. Just line this up on the right. Coming down and then up. Let's round out the cheeks. Go all the way around and pull that in. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now you want to close off the bottom of the head with a curve. So we'll start on the left. Bring this down. Go across, and we'll bend that up towards the right side. Now I'm going to shift the mouth over towards the right side. Let's start right in the middle, bend the mouth going out, and then up, and then we'll add a bracket on the right side. Let's move up to the top and draw the outside edge of the eyes. We're going to start right in the center, start with a straight line going up. Let's go back down to the bottom, bend the brow going out, and then up toward the left. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the left side, we're going to go all the way up toward the top of the eye, round this out, come down, and then in on top of the cheek. Now I'm going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eye. Let's start from the top left. Just going to draw an oval, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Just pull that up on the inside. Let's trace that oval on the inside. Let's add a curve along the top of the pupil for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom area in black. Let's add a thick brow above the eyes. We're going to start on the left. Just going to follow the curve of the eye going up. And then we'll bend that down. Let's line this up on the right. Going above the right eye. And then bend this down. Now I'm going to place the ears on top of the brow. Let's start over on the left, bend this out, and then up. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, and then up. Let's pull the ears coming back in toward the top of the head. Coming in, and we'll bend that down. And we'll connect the inside of the ears with a curve to the bottom of the hat, going up and then down. Now you want to trace the ears along the side. On the left, we'll step up. Just curve this up towards the top. And come towards the inside. And we'll connect the bottom with a curve, going up and in. Now from the inside of the ear, we're going to step out, draw two straight angle lines going up and in towards the top of the brim. Let's connect the ends with a curve, going up and then back down. Let's bend the hat over towards the right side. From this top corner, step in, go up, round out the hat, and come down around the right ear. Let's add a circle on the end, come in, go all the way around and back up towards the top. Now from here we're going to step in and curve the inside of the hat going up and then down on the right side of the brim. Go up and then we'll bend that down. Now we're going to move out to the side and add in the spikes. From the bottom of the ear on the outside, step up, curve this out, and bend that down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right. Right out, and then bending that down towards the same height. Let's bend this back in towards the eye to right about there. And then we'll add one more spike. Out and then down. Let's pull this up underneath the head. Up and then in. Now I'm going to go back and add a fold along the side of the cheeks. Going out and then up. Now I'm going to move to the center of the body and draw the inside edge of the jacket. Leaving a gap in the center, start on the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the waist, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's go back up to the top and add the collar. From the top of this line, step down, go out, and then bend that up underneath the head, and then line this up on the right. Now I'm going to go back down and round out the bottom of the jacket, going out and then up. Now I'm going to go up along the side of the body and then in towards the collar. Go up and then bend that in, leaving a gap along the top. Let's add a trim along the bottom. We'll step up from the left side, come down and in, and we'll line this up on the right. Let's add two circles on the right side. One along the top, and one on the bottom. Now from the inside corner of the jacket, let's step up and add that trim. We're gonna come down and then up. Let's continue working our way down towards the bottom of the feet. In the center, let's step down and add a curve. Going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left ankle, go to the right side and do the same thing. Let's round out the ankles. Coming down and then back up. Now on the left side, we're going to curve the leg going up and in behind the jacket. Now we're going to wrap a thick cuff around the ankles. From the bottom left corner, we step up, curve around, and then in. Let's line this up on the inside and go in the opposite direction. Let's add the bottom of the cuff. Starting on the left, go around toward the bottom, and then just tuck that in on the inside. Now you go to the inside of the cuff, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down, and we'll bend that up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up, and then bend that in towards the side of the cuff. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom. We step up and just trace that across on both sides. And now we're going to add that thick stripe going across the top of the foot. Let's start from the left, come in and then down towards the sole. Now we want to step out and draw that same curve. Now from here we're going to go back up to the top. Let's draw the left arm holding the bag. We start underneath the collar on the left side, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's draw the thumb. We're going to go up, bend this down. Let's round up the thumb and pull that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, start with a half oval, going out and then in. And step down, draw that again, tucking this up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to draw the top of the bag in behind the fingers. Let's start from the left side, then it's up and out, go to the top of the thumb, go in the opposite direction. Now on the left side, we're going to add a fold, going down, go up, and then back down. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to wrap this around the side and then back in. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the bag. Start on the left side, come down, and lift out, round out the bag, and just pull that in behind the foot. Let's move over towards the right, come down and in behind the leg. Now continue along the inside. I'm just going to round this out and back in behind the foot. Let's add a fold along the top and bottom. Up and in, down and out. Now we're going to go back to the top of the wrist. We're going to curve the hand coming around and then out in behind the bag. Let's step up, curve the arm coming in and up behind the body. Let's separate the cuff, stepping in, curve this around and then down. Let's line up the bottom of the arm over on the right side, curve the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And from the wrist, we'll draw a half circle for the thumb, close this off with a bracket. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the bottom. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Now on the side, we'll curve the second finger going out and then up. And go up, go all the way around. Just tuck this up underneath the collar on the right side. Let's add the cuff. Starting from the top of the thumb, bend this up and out, step up and draw that again. Now let's add the tail coming out from the left hip. Starting up here, come down and in. And I'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Christmas Sonic. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.